I said I lost to a very good team. I have to go back to work against next time. That is all. I appreciate. That is all. I lost. The plan is broken because I concede early goals, so I don't need to do that kind of system. That is why I come all out to play. Yeah.
Yes. Coach, I'm happy from Football League.
Yes.
Coach, what caused your team defeat? Was it a tactical failure or the players just refused to stay fair?
Really, of course, I don't want to go far because I lost. Because we missed some players who they have problem with the passport, age, and the registration. The team, because Kano Pile play about 19 matches, did not lose. From the league, Super 6, Itoko, we are the champion of Nigeria and Itoko. So when we come to registration, we are late. We have problem from some players. So that is why I don't want to go past, I said. And I say I lost a very good team. I lost. I told you earlier, it's depend of our formation and the style of the game. And if you look at the game, we concede 2 goals, good 2 goals as he said. But we're supposed to score about 3 goals. But it's not our day. That is all. Because the way they are playing, even in Kano, so they give us good match. And they need to work on the defense. Because as we scored in Kano 3 goals without any set pieces, no penalty. So if you look at the day, we're supposed to score again 3 goals. If it's our day, we're supposed to score, but they need to work. The midfield and attack is okay, and full back, but they need to work in the central defense. But to work against next season, because we are almost started the league next month.
So the message to the people.
We come second in the Nigerian Premier League and we win the FA Cup as a champion, so we have to go back to the drawing board to work against our lapses.
Okay.
In Nigeria, it's more better because both teams score. Both teams score. So it's more better I prepare because if you take our chances, by now Ashanti Kodogo is out. But we lost about 3 chances. Yeah. Without any penalty, any set pieces, direct we penetrate the central defense and score goal. So if you look at today game, we miss about 3 chances. That's why they need work on the tactical discipline.
All right, Coach, thank you very much for